You can never quit. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Ted Turner. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom, Primrose Path. Primrose Path. What does it mean, Primrose Path? Look at the origin of this idiom. Primrose Path is an idiom that goes back to at least the early 1600s. An idiom is a word or group of words or phrase that has a figurative meaning that is not easily deduced from its literal meaning. Primrose Path refers to a way of life that is easy and pleasant, but in fact leads to one's destruction or some other consequence. So, Primrose Path means a path of ease or pleasure and especially sensual pleasure. A life of pleasure and leisure that results in a negative or detrimental outcome. So, Primrose Path means leading an easy and pleasure life which results in a negative outcome. Look at the example sentence for the idiom Primrose Path. If I follow your advice, I'd be walking down the primrose path to ruin my future. So, the meaning of this sentence is, if I follow your advice, I would be walking down the primrose path. That is, I would lead an easy and comfortable life which ruin my future. And number 2, after becoming rich, Johnson found himself surrounded by people trying to lead him down the primrose path for their own benefit. Which means, after becoming rich, Johnson found himself surrounded by people trying to lead him a life of easy and comfortable for their own benefit, which distract the future of Johnson. So, Primrose Path means a path of ease or pleasure and especially sensual pleasure, which results in a negative outcome. So far, we have discussed the idiom Primrose Path. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.